today our bus adventure?
Yes, but today will be very special.
I can't wait!
Stay together, everyone.
The bus will arrive soon.
Yay! I hope we get window seats. I can see the bus stop.
Great! We're right on time.
Let's hurry! Who is that boy? Hi, are you waiting for the bus too?
Come on, Ethan. The bus is almost here. Welcome aboard! See you inside.
Why is he smiling at me?
Good morning. Welcome aboard. Thank you. 4 tickets, please.
He's already inside. Do you like bus rides?
Yes, but today feels different.
Look, so many cars! My toy bus is gone!
Are you sure?
Let's look for it.
Keep looking.
Maybe it's under the seat.
I think I saw something.
Is this yours? My toy bus!
Wait, what happened?
Please sit here.
Thank you, kind boy.
I'm proud of you.
You have a kind heart.
Thank you. You did the right thing. My brother is amazing!
We're so proud of you, son.
Look at the fountain! It's beautiful.
This city is amazing.
Next stop, City Park. That's our stop.
I'm excited!
Enjoy the park, folks.
Have a wonderful day.
Will I see you again?
Come on, Ethan.
This park is beautiful!
Let's explore together.
I want to see everything! Someone left this here. What's inside?
Let's take a look. Someone left a kind message.
That's so sweet! Let's keep it!
This is a perfect day.
I love our picnic! Me too! I saw him again!
Who did you see?
The mysterious boy?
Kindness makes every journey special.
I will always remember today. It was the best adventure!
Ready to go home? Yes, thank you.
Goodbye, Park!
Welcome aboard.
Today was unforgettable.
We learned something important.
Kindness always matters. Home, sweet home!
Family is the greatest treasure.
I'll get the gate!
Every day is a new adventure.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe. See you next time on the English Family Stories.
Bye!
Hi everyone, moral of the story: kindness, respect and staying together make every journey a wonderful adventure. Thanks for watching.